Now, how do you resize a video on a Capcut on the iPad? And let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, once you have your videos imported into the timeline, you can at first change the size in terms of like the whole clip and like the whole video project, and you can do this by clicking on the aspect ratio button below. Just make sure you don't have any clips selected, because then the options at the bottom kind of change, so make sure you don't have anything like that. Then click on aspect ratio and you can change from those like different ratios, right? So you can make it go 9:16, which is the vertical video, or 16:9, which is horizontal, or 1:1 for square, or whatever you decide. However, if you want to resize the actual individual clip, you can of course just click on it like that on your timeline to select it, and then you can see that it also gets selected on the preview file, where you can just grab your fingers, you can zoom it in like that, you can even move it around without adjusting the size, right? So you can do whatever you need, and you just do it like manually with your fingers, right? So it kind of works very nice in the Capcut user interface, so I don't really see a problem with that. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to make it work on your iPad. For more tutorials and videos like this one, stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos.